Welcome aboard. We are in the middle of a fantastic week. The Bitcoin conference has been held, and very positive statements about the future of Bitcoin were made at this important event. We continue to track opportunities in the crypto world and collect points for airdrop rewards. Recently, I have been sharing popular Telegram apps with you. For this, I have created a playlist. Visit my playlist and use the Telegram bots. In this video, I will talk about a new Telegram bot. The bot's name is Banana. Touching the banana in the bot will earn you points. Press it all the way and fill up your quota. The harvest section is where you will receive your reward. After claiming your bananas at regular intervals, you will be given new bananas in the harvest section. The bananas you receive will go into your bag, thus increasing your level. Let's visit the bag. Here, you can see different bananas. As you can see, this bot plans to give USDT. Below, there are many bananas with high USDT value. For example, the Matrix banana is worth $500. To get this banana, we need to use the bot frequently and complete tasks. You can sell the bananas you own using the sell button. Additionally, as you acquire new bananas, your level will increase, and the daily points you can earn will rise. I am currently at the initial levels and collecting bananas. You can also collect bananas and increase your level. If you complete the tasks in the tasks section, it will be advantageous for you. There is also a wallet connection task here, which will be activated soon. For each task you complete, you will earn banana rewards. If you want, you can send your invitation link to your friends to earn extra rewards. We continue to use Telegram bots and gather points. I hope this video has been useful to you. You can ask your questions in the comments section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.